How to buy Chirplay. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to buy Chirplay token step by step. So if you go to the Chirplay's page on the Coinmarketcap.com, you can see that it is built on the BNB Smart Chain, and you can copy its address here and also add it to Metamask wallet, which I already done. You can click here and click on add token. Now if you check markets tab here, you can see that it's available currently on 3 exchanges like Bybit, Maxi and ApeSwap. First 2 exchanges are centralized exchanges. It means you need to have accounts and possibly verify your identity before you can buy, but on ApeSwap you can buy directly by connecting your Metamask wallet. But in this tutorial I will show you another secret tool that I usually use to swap crypto. It's called defi.krystal.app, and you can get there by scanning QR code that you see on your screen right now, and as usually connect your Metamask wallet and go to swap, then choose crypto you want to swap, let's say USDT, and now we need the Chirplay token address. Let's copy it here on the Coinmarketcap.com, back to Krystal DeFi, and on there you receive, let's paste Chirplay token address. Now we see it, and let's click here, and let's say I want to swap 5 USDT for Chirplay. And the benefits of this platform that it automatically connects to all the decentralized exchanges that it supports and show you the best price available. Currently it's ApeSwap, and you can tweak the different settings here like slippage tolerance and the fees you would like to pay. And now we can review the swap and confirm everything. You will see Metamask pop up here. Let's scroll down and confirm. Okay, we see that it was swapped successfully. Confirm transaction. And now we can see our Chirplay in our Metamask wallet. Let's click on assets. Smart chain is used here. And here I have more than 2000 Chirplay tokens. And please stay tuned. On the next video, I will show you how to stake Chirplay and get more than 100% IPR. You can click on the video you see on the screen right now to get to the staking tutorial. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Let's move on to the staking tutorial. Click on the video you see on the screen right now.